Good afternoon to all my subscribers on the Only One Down Here channel. So today we are rebuilding a sea strainer, a Perco to be exact, and this happens to be the raw water strainer for an air conditioning pump system on a Hinckley. Now this is a very common part, this guy right here, and as you can see, there's a lot of buildup and debris because the area that we happen to be in has not a lot of circulation. It's kind of stagnant. So I've pretty much got this broken down to the point where I've got it separated and away from the wall. And what I'm going to do is take the glass bezel out because it needs cleaning. So again, like I said, this is a speeded up process because I've already unbolted everything. Now I do have a new gasket kit for this. As you can see, this guy was replaced, but when taken apart, please always put in new gaskets. Bezel comes out pretty easy. Just make sure that you don't crack this because crack is whack. We'll set that aside. Then the bottom has another O-ring, which comes out like so. Now, ultimately what we need to do is, you might see that this is a manifold. There's a high pressure and a low pressure side, or an intake and an outtake. And what happens generally is that these build up with all sorts of scaly shit. And just because the bezel looks like it's nice and flowing and everything's good, well, looks can be very deceiving. So that's the project right now. I'll check in with you later, but it's a nice day in Southwest Florida if you like saunas. Sweating out the hate. Out.